Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson in this series of writing. Today we are going to continue what we have started when we dealt with linking words, or what we call cohesive devices. Today our course is the focus on cause and effect linking words. How to link two sentences. One is the cause, the other one is the effect, or we can say we have cause and result. Okay? Remember, cause, result, or cause, effect. Before we start the lesson, very simple things to remember. The first one is that if you want to introduce cause, if you want to focus on the cause, you use a linking words of cause. If you want to introduce effect, you link a linking word of effect. For example, if I say because is followed by what? Yes, it is followed by a cause. As a result is followed by, yes, by an effect or by a result of something. And remember, the second thing is that we don't need to use two linking words, one for cause, one for effect, in the same sentence. No. When we have a sentence, we can use just one linking word. One, it can be result, or it can be cause. So we are going to see these linking words and how to use them. We have two types. There are many, but I focused on what is important, so as to master these, and then you can move to other ones, okay? So if you look here, we have 3 sentences for A, and we have 5 sentences for B. Let's concentrate on A. We have 3 linking words: because of, due to, thanks to. Thanks to, okay? Because of, due to, thanks to. These are called prepositions. Okay, they are linking words, but among the linking words we have types. This type is called prepositions. Why? Because they contain a preposition at the end. Because of, due to, thanks to. So remember, look at here, the first sentence. Because of coronavirus, we didn't go out for months. So here we need an S. We didn't go out for months. Because of what? Because of coronavirus. This is the cause. So we have a linking word of cause followed by a cause. Okay? We didn't go out for months. Let's look to number 2. Due to the bad weather. Due to the bad weather. Comma. We have comma, comma, and comma. They cancelled the trip. Due to the bad weather, they cancelled the trip. Thanks to his hard work, comma, thanks to his hard work, what happens? He won the first prize in the competition. He won the first prize in the competition. So there are certain elements to look at with these 3 linking words. The first, because of, look here, because of plus noun phrase. Because of, you can't write because of he speaks good English, or because of and she does something. No. Because of plus noun phrase. It can be one word, okay? It can be 2 or 3 words, it can be many. But what is important is that it's not part of a sentence. Because of coronavirus. We have a subject here. So the subject comes after the comma. Subject, verb, and we continue. Due to the bad weather, they cancelled the trip. We have a subject and verb. Thanks to his hard work, he won the first prize in the competition. So these are certain elements we have to be careful about when dealing with these 3 examples. Okay? Before we move on again, thanks to. Let's look at this. Thanks to. Thanks to is positive. You can't say, for example, thanks to an accident he died. Okay? Thanks to an accident he died. We can't say that. We are human beings. So thanks to, it must come with something positive. Thanks to hard work. Thanks to the gift. Thanks to, etc. We can say thanks to his illness. No. Thanks to plus something positive. So this is the first part. We are going to come back to because of when we finish the second part. So the second part, we have different linking words. Some of them are called transitions. I don't want to go to details. So let's just stick to these other ones that don't have the preposition. So look at here. Because the weather was bad, I didn't go out. Because we have the cause here. Why? Because this is a linking word of cause. So it must be followed by the cause. Because the weather was bad. Look at the difference between because of and because. Because of plus one word or a noun phrase. Because the weather was bad. If I want to add here of, because of the weather, because of the bad weather, but we don't have of, so we need to have a sentence, a complete sentence with subject and verb. Because the weather was bad, I didn't go out. So look here, we have comma and we have full stop. It was windy, therefore that's a specific type of transitions. So we have semicolon before and a comma after. It was windy, therefore we stayed at home. So therefore we have a result. Therefore we need a result, okay, an effect. Good. Sarah had worked hard all year long. She had worked hard all year long. Look here, we have a full stop. Full stop. And after that we have consequently. Consequently is an adverb. It's an adverb. So all the adverbs, like firstly, secondly, etc., we start a sentence, we put them at the beginning of the sentence, okay? Consequently, we have comma after, and we continue. She got the best mark. Okay? Finally, consequently, firstly, secondly, etc. Especially these type of adverbs. They are in the middle of a sentence, but remember, there is a full stop here before you begin the sentence with them. Then we have, he was absent most of the time. As a result, okay? As a result, come on, it's the same. As a result, he got the worst mark. As a result, if you want, you can remove the capital letter, remove the full stop, and you put a comma. As a result, he got the worst mark, and it's correct. But if you want, you can just write it like this. Okay, it's good. Good. Then we move to the last sentence. They trained very well, comma, so they won the match. They trained very well, so they won the match. As a result, all these four, they express result. So we write them and we write the result after them. Remember again, there are certain things. Most of these, especially the first ones, you can start the sentence with, we didn't go out for months because of the coronavirus. We didn't go out for months because of coronavirus. It's correct. You can start with the first part, like I did, or you can change the sentences and there is no problem. It's correct. The same here for because. but you can't do that for the others. Therefore, consequently, as a result, and so you can't change. They have to stay as where they are at the middle of the sentences. Okay? Again, remember, because of and because. Because of plus noun phrase. It can be one noun, it can be two words, noun, like compound noun, like the bad weather. It can be any type of noun phrase, like his illness, because of his illness, comma, he didn't go out. And we have here subject and verb for because plus subject and verb. Because he was ill, because he was late, etc. Okay? So all in all, this is what cause and effect linking words is all about. Again, remember, there is a mistake that some students make. For example, if I ask you to write about the causes of, let's say, addiction or smoking, you are not going to use all of these. You are going to use only what is important. And if it's not convenient to use them, don't use them. And sometimes we can have an essay of cause and effect, but we are not going to use cause and effect linking words, because if I am going to say cause number 1, 2, 3, that's addition. It's not cause and effect. Okay? I hope that you got it. So if you still have missed some, let's say, questions or observations to make, you can put them at the comment section. Please don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. See you in another video. Bye, and thank you for watching.